Hey everyone, this is Jenny Garcia, and in this video I'm going to open my Pipstick kits. This is the Pro and this is the Kids kit, and they're both the full subscription. They also have a version, my god, that is petite, that has less stickers. The kits, this one I paid $10 for it because they had a deal that the first 3 months were half the price. And last month I skipped both kits. I didn't love it. My plan this year is honestly to unsubscribe, even though I love the kits. I think I have enough stickers, and then each kit comes with a little sign. This one, the kids one, tends to be a little more simple. There's always a note. And I think that I tried to skip this one and it didn't work. I can't remember. I know that the one for next month has a lot of book related items, and I already paid for it, so I'm happy with that. That might be my last kit, hopefully. This is really cute. Let's see if I have a white background that I can use. These are so adorable. Bunch of hot sauce. It always comes with a postcard. This one's kind of cute. It's a tackle with a hat. Oh, and then this one is the scratch and sniff, and it's supposed to be strawberry. Doesn't really smell like strawberry, but it still smells pretty good. I love this one. It's super cute. We have these boots and hats. It's kind of hard to show these stickers with this finish. Oh, we have a bunch of foods. It's called Yeehaw Yummies. Really cute. Oh, this one looks like the ones that came in the roll. Were those Mrs. Grossman? Just remember that they had like 3 spaces you could tear out. More hot sauce. This is good for documenting like spicy books if you're into those kind of books. We have cacti and flowers. And these are, it's called Critter Caravan. These 3 didn't have a name. It's pretty cute. You can make like a little train. And we have these. These are really cute. This one I like. Especially the egg and the bacon. That is so cute. It's really cute too. Rodeo ready. Bunch of horses with the boots. Pioneer Village. Oh, the little kids are so cute. That's the best part, I hope is. We have the post office, the sheriff's office, the hotel, mountain, and these are the armadillos. Okay, and this one is limited edition, and so is Opossum Outlaws. This one, yeah, Pioneer Village. This is so weird but cute. It's like cowboy boots but with roller skates. I love the little stars. There's excited about that. We have a super tiny one with farm animals. That's pretty cute. And then we have these flowers. These are pretty cute. But again, I don't think that you can see how pretty they are on camera. They're just a little difficult to show. And we have more cacti. This is smiling succulents. I wish the colors were a little bit more deep. And last but not least, we have Prospector Paws, and this one is a limited edition too. And honestly, I would have skipped this one. I did try. It's really easy to pick one here. It's obviously the hot sauce. They are the cuter ones. If I have to pick a top 3, then I would pick these, the Scratch and Sniff, the hot sauce, and I'm gonna go with these weirdos, the opossum outlaws. They're so cool. So yeah, if you skip this month, then it's not a big deal. Don't love the postcards. I usually don't care for the kids postcard. They're never as good as the ones from the Pro Kit. Okay, let's just move on to the, oh yeah, that's the kids one. For a second I was like, wait, why isn't it gold? Is the back gold? Yes, the back is gold. Okay. Let me move this to the side. My desk is full of stuff. I'm working on a mini album, super tiny, that I started like a year ago, and I want to be done with it. So the rest of my desk is busy. And this is the Classic Pro. It always comes with a little sign. I love this pattern. This would be so cute as a washi tape. Okay, and you always get like an overview of the stickers you got. It's worth more than $40 of stickers. And then this one is the petite, and this one is the classic. A note from Mo. Oh, and this one is, I believe it's all about malls. Yeah. So if you have an adventure at the mall with your friends as you stop at all of your favorite spots before the mall closes. Let me see if I can check that out real quick. Okay. Oh yeah, it's like a little board game. That's pretty cute, and it has instructions here. I'm gonna save it for the end. Oh, and those are the tokens and the cards. This is the actual game. That's pretty cute. Then we have the prize machine, food court favorites, and then inside here we got spoilers, but I'm not gonna open those. DIY sticker dispenser. Oh, this is like the first time that I see that they have multiple QR codes. That's pretty good. I like that. So it gives you a box template and the items that you need to create the roll. and then scan for a fun coloring page. Oh, this is pretty cute. Neat. A little bit brighter. But yeah, it's pretty cool. This one I didn't try to skip. I think that I'm gonna like half of them, unless it's one of those months where it didn't look as cool in the previews, but it looks really cool in person. This is cute. I would add more like doodles on the side. That is the postcard. And this one is called Window Shoppers, and it's just a bunch of people shopping and waiting for other people who shop. Bubble and Bleeze Boutique. This is just Bath and Body Workshops. It's really cute. I can smell it in my brain. We got the Marvelous fountains, and this one is a limited edition, and it's just fountains. It's okay. I like the little coins. This one is pretty cool. It's called Hot Dogs, Cold Drinks. I love this one. Ooh, this one is really cool. Give me all the stickers. I love this one. That's my favorite part so far. And this is a low main attraction. This is really cute. I love this. This is it's called Ups and Downs, and it's another limited edition. I don't care for this one. I don't know. I don't know. This one I knew I wanted. Sinfully Delicious, and it's just a bunch of cinnamon buns and drinks. And we have the Mall Cops Cop and Roll Adventures. This one is pretty cool. Okay, we have this one. This one I love, and it's called Full Peel and Reveal, and it's more of those machines. This one is kind of like got folded in there, but still pretty cute. This one is Pizza Pizzazz. I like it. It's pretty cool. Okay, and then this one is Epic Expressions. Take a chill pill, that's fat, the bomb, as if, whatever. Not, you go girl, don't go there. Dips, let's bounce, oh snap, talk to the hand, buzzkill, and you're tripping. I like the fonts and the colors. It's pretty cool. This one looks really cool. It's called Vintage Vending Machines. Love this. And this one is my favorite. Classics, Clicks, and Circuits. We have the old compact computer, the Nintendo 64 controller, the cartridges, the electronic or whatever that dog was, the very first MP3s, and the CD players. Those were really cool. This one is my favorite so far. Like, I don't even have to think about it. I love this one too. And this one is a limited edition, which is too bad because alphas are one of the things that you want to get more of them. But I love the font. and the colors. Okay, so this one I like a lot more than the other one. It's kind of, so this one, of course, is number one, classic clicks and circuits. I like these alphas, but I also like the hot dogs and cold drinks, and I like the vintage vending machines. So I think I'm gonna go with the hot dogs and cold drinks. Move them a little bit more so you can see them. I also really like the vinyl sticker this month, but it's a pretty cool, yeah. I think I've read a book about the 90s, or maybe that was last year. I think it was last year, but it would have been cool to document it with this kit. Let me know which kit you like more, the kits or this one. I am 100% this one, but honestly I think I could skip both. I really wanted a few items here, that's why I didn't skip them, because when I did the math I was like, it's gonna be the same, you know, if I take into account what they cost plus shipping, so might as well just get them like this and I get a few extras. But let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having an amazing day. Bye!